Hi guys, good afternoon. It's 12:09 p.m. and it's Monday, October 11, and kakatapos lang ng classes ko because maaga kami natapos since exams lang kami. And ayun lang naman. Mamaya mag-review na ako since we have another exam tomorrow. So now we're gonna open a package. So kahapon pa to dumating, and yeah, oh my god. We got a package from Suisui PH. This is one of the best shops for Korean skincare and beauty products, I swear. So first up, we got this low pH foaming cleanser from Yul. This is how the cleanser looks like. It's a little different from my usual cleansers. So, ayun. Second product, we have this hehe low pH balancing vegan toners. Again, this one is from hehe. Then we got this Axis Y dark spot correcting glow serum. I think this one is parang for treatment ata. So, ganito yung itsura niya. It has a pump. Next, we got this Dear May Green Line Roll-On Eye Serum. So, naghahanap talaga ako ng parang eye cream or eye serums kasi wala akong ganon. And I like this one kasi ano siya, yung roller ball. And then we also got this Yul Calming Moisturizer Barrier Cream. So this one is a moisturizer naman. Then we got this Mask Now Glow Later Duo Set from Axis Y as well. And di ko na sila kukunin sa box pero ganyan yung itsura nila. And then, this one are the last ones. I don't know if these are freebies, pero malalaki na yung sizes nila. Pero this one is sunscreen. So, we got 2 sunscreens from Axis Y as well. Yun, those are the products that I got or received from Suisui PH. Thank you so much, Suisui PH. And I will be trying this out siguro tomorrow or later. So, I will update you guys kung ano yung feedback ko sa kanila. So, hi guys, so it's 9:40. So, hindi ko alam. And sobrang drain ako ngayon kasi ewan ko, kanina okay pa ako. Tapos, as in, wala talaga akong energy ngayon. Hindi ko na alam. Ba't ba ako nag-i-inerte dito? Hello?
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive all of the streets.
Ow! Ow! hi guys! Anong oras na ba? Hi guys! Good morning! It's 10:27 AM. Kakaligo ko lang actually. Nakabihis na din ako because later, mga 1 PM, aalis kami. Kasi we have to pick something up. Pipick upin akong binili kong item. So, mamaya ko na papakita sa inyo yun para surprise. Pero, I'm so excited, you know, kasi I've been wanting this for so long. Doon, mag-skincare muna ako. I'm using the All Clean Low pH Balancing Vegan Toner from hehe. So, ito yung toner na ginagamit ko for the past few days. Ayan, next, I'm gonna use this serum from Suisui, and this just gives my skin that glow, pero it doesn't look oily. Pero moving on, I'm gonna use this moisturizer from Yul. This one is the Calming Moisture Barrier Cream. And ito talaga, favorite ko to. Kung papapiliin nyo ako ng product dito sa routine na to, I would choose this one kasi ewan ko, it's different from my other moisturizers. And for my last product, I will be using this Suisui SPF 50 PA+++ sunscreen. So guys, this is my fit. This is my outfit for today. Wait, I still have my bag with me, and I'm wearing this dress from Shopee. Then my shoes are Nike or Nike Cortez. For my accessories, this one is, I think, from Tala by Kyla, the Grey's Anatomy collection. Yeah, this is the candle house. Yeah, that's the outfit. And yeah, we're gonna pick the thing already, so let's go. Hi guys! So, I just got home. So, as in, eto pa rin. Wait lang, Chiki! Kakauwi ko pa lang, guys. As you can see, may face mask pa ako dyan. As in, kakababa ko lang ng kotse. And, I got my MacBook na! Oh my gosh! Right, Luna? Wait, medyo pagod ako. Medyo hinihingal ako. So, ayun. I will just change my clothes into pambahay clothes, and then sabay-sabay natin siyang i-unbox. So, You're so cute. Guys, before I end this vlog, I want to give you guys a little update from the skincare routine that I've been trying out throughout this video. So, medyo parang 1.5 week ko na siyang tinatry out. So, I've picked out my favorite products from my routine. I mean, I love them all. As in, no joke, I love all of them. Pero, pinick out ko lang yung mga talagang favorite ko or yung talagang nagpaganon sa akin. So, first of all, this one is the Yul Low pH Foaming Cleanser. Napansin ko dito na sobrang, subtle lang sa skin. Wala siyang amoy or anything, no fragrance at all. So, very perfect to sa mga sensitive skin yan, as in. And it's kind of different from the usual foaming cleanser kasi medyo parang liquidy siya, pero mabula to, guys. Sobrang saya niya kapag naghihilamos sa mukha kasi sobrang puffy ng mga bubbles, ganun. And guys, one thing na nakita ko dito na parang nagpa-shock sa akin, and yun yung ingredients niya, which is the 5 kinds of hyaluronic acids and 5 kinds of Centella asiatica. So, sobrang na-shock ako kasi sa mga ibang skincare products, usually isang kind lang ng hyaluronic acid. Pero dito, it's packed with good ingredients, as in. Next is this serum. Ayun, isa to sa mga favorite serums ko. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. This is so nice sa mga serums kasi it's a pump instead of a dropper. So, mas hygienic siya. And this one is a dark spot correcting glow serum. So, if you have hyperpigmentation sa skin mo, ito, perfect to sa'yo kung may mga acne scars ka na mga dark spots, yung mga natitira sa mga acne, sa mga pimples mo. This one is a great treatment for you. And again, guys, similar with the other products that I've shown you earlier, this one is paraben-free, silicone-free, no artificial colors, no artificial fragrances. So, talagang magaganda yung ingredients nito. And then next, this one is my ultimate favorite in this routine. This one is the Yul Calming Moisture Barrier Cream. And I think these two are parang, ito yung match sa kanila, yung cleanser and then yung moisturizer. Pero I swear to this moisturizer, I know 1 week ko pa lang siya nagagamit, pero yung texture or yung effect na nabibigay niya sa akin, yung instant effect niya. And I like to put this sa umaga and then sa gabi or even sa hapon kapag gusto kong mag-skincare kasi talagang I swear by this moisturizer, as in, guys, if you have to get one in this routine, buy this moisturizer. As in, I will repurchase this if ever man maubusan ako kasi sobrang love ko siya. Ganun ko na siya ka-love. So, sana love nyo rin siya. Bili na kayo, guys. Another favorite product of mine, guys, is the Dear May Green Line Roll-On Eye Serum. And this one is anti-wrinkle moisturizing and whitening. So, sa mga may dark circles dyan, I highly suggest this one. Especially ako, guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung dark circles ko. Pero this one, pinaka-love ko talaga dito is yung packaging niya. Yung roller ball. Kasi once na nilagay ko to sa ref, guys, nilalagay ko to sa ref every night. Or, basta nasa ref lang siya lagi. Kukunin ko lang siya kapag gagamitin ko. Pero, yung roller ball niya kasi, diba, steel ball yun, guys. Steel ball siya. So, talagang malamig kapag nilagay mo sa ref. Tapos, pag nilagay mo siya sa under eyes mo, sobrang relaxing. As in, parang nagpapa-facial ka. Ganong type of level of relaxation. Ganon. Tapos, grabe. Yung serum din niya, hindi siya sticky na serum. Madali lang din mag-melt yung serum niya. I think I will repurchase this again kapag naubusan na ako. So, and ayun, guys, yun lang yung favorite ko from this routine. Pero again, I love all the products. As in, ginamit ko sila throughout the week and walang nangyaring any effect sa skin ko. Hindi naman ako nagka-pimples. Hindi naman nagkaroon ng redness sa face ko. So, it's a really nice routine. If you guys are interested, I will be putting all the product links down below. And of course, don't forget to check out Suisui.ph on Shopee and Lazada. Again, they are a really trusted K-beauty online store kasi you don't have to worry about the authenticity or hindi ka mag-worry kung fake ba yung products na binibili mo kasi sila talaga, guys, They are a trusted brand or a shop. Talagang kung naghahanap ka ng mga Korean products, they are the go-to shop for you. I think they will be having a sale on 11/11. November pa naman yun, guys. Pero, ready nyo na yung cart nyo para, di ba, check out na lang sa 11/11. Pero, ayun, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell right beside it, you know. Pero, ayun, guys. See you on my next vlog.
Missing someone